Hello, first thing you want to do is extract the files using WinRAR. Extract it to your desktop. The next thing you want to do is open the folder, the extracted folder. Go to the Keyfast folder and select the keyfast.jxb. Copy it. Go to your local disk C, open your program files, open Adobe folder, open the Adobe After Effects folder and support files. Scroll down until you can find scripts, or you press S for scripts. Open the scripts folder, then open the scripts UI folder, paste, continue. Open your After Effects. If you have opened it before, close it because you need to restart it. Here I will try to open up a project just so I can arrange the Keyfast UI panel. So I'll open a work I'm doing that tech I've done already. I'll go to my Windows menu, scroll down until I can find the Keyfast. Select it, move it to the right corner. I like to put it there. If this pops up, just close it. Then I drag to create some space.